How to sign up to Deepseek. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Deepseek and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, deepseek.com. Open it. You will be directed to this kind of page, Deepseek platform. Now from here, you are able to log in or sign up. Click on the option of sign up. Now you have to provide these details to create your account, email address, password, confirm your password, then click on send code. With that, you will be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered. You will need to type in that code and then click on sign up. With that, your account will be created. You will be directed to this kind of page. You have just registered in the Deepseek platform. Now click on the option chat for free. Once you're in this page, now you can provide the credential, email address and the password that you have just created. Then click on login. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page from where you are able to use the Deepseek. Here you're going to find this message box. Now here you can drop your questions and Deepseek will come up with the answers. So this is how you can easily sign up to Deepseek. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.